Sharks can grow thousands of teeth in a lifetime. Humans get just 2 sets, baby teeth and adult teeth. So here's the question, why can sharks replace teeth again and again while we usually can't? Stick with me. I'll explain this strange difference in simple terms. I'll also tell you what scientists are trying to do about it. When you were a child, you lost baby teeth. Those little gaps made room for adult teeth. By the time most people are teens, the permanent teeth are in place. After that, our mouths do not build new whole teeth. If an adult tooth is lost, we reach for a dentist, an implant, or a denture. That's how human teeth normally work. Now picture a shark's mouth. Not one row of teeth. Many rows. Think of teeth sitting like pages in a book. When a front tooth falls out, the next one slides forward. Then another moves up behind it. It's a continuous conveyor belt of teeth. Some sharks may go through tens of thousands of teeth in a lifetime. So what's the real difference? It comes down to the cells that make teeth. Sharks keep special tooth-forming cells active their whole lives. These cells keep making new teeth, row after row. Humans also have tooth-forming cells when we are babies, but after our permanent teeth form, those cells slow down or stop. In short, sharks never lose their tooth-making ability. Most humans don't. This sounds simple, but it hides a long story of evolution. Sharks evolved a system that favors constant tooth replacement. It works well for a hunter that bites, tears, and loses teeth often. Humans evolved different needs. We rely more on chewing and speech. Our teeth are complex and built to last for many decades. So evolution favored a 2-stage system for us. Baby teeth, then permanent teeth. That said, the idea of regrowing human teeth is not science fiction. Researchers around the world are studying how to turn tooth-making back on in people. Some of the most talked about work comes from labs in Japan. Researchers at Kyoto University and other teams have shown that certain molecular tricks can encourage tooth growth in animal studies. They are testing ways to nudge dormant tooth cells to wake up and form new, tooth-like structures. How are scientists trying to do this? There are a few approaches, and I'll keep them simple. One is stem cell research. Stem cells are a kind of raw material inside the body. They can become different types of tissue. In the lab, scientists try to guide stem cells to become tooth parts, the root, the pulp, the hard crown. This work has shown promise in animals and in lab dishes, but it is complex. Another approach is molecular or protein therapy. Instead of planting new cells, researchers give the mouth signals. These signals are proteins or other molecules that tell nearby cells to restart tooth making. Some recent studies suggest certain proteins can encourage new tooth formation in animals. This path could one day lead to a pill, gel, or a simple treatment that prompts natural tooth regrowth. A mix of methods is also possible. Some teams combine scaffolds, cells, and molecular signals. Others aim for simpler, cell-free treatments that are easier to bring to clinics. Across the field, progress has been steady but cautious. There are real successes in lab animals, but moving to safe and effective human treatments will take time. Could humans regrow teeth in the next few years? Maybe. Maybe not. Here's the honest picture. The science is promising, but human biology and safety rules mean researchers must be careful. Any new treatment needs to work reliably. It must be safe over many years. That takes thorough testing. So don't expect instant miracles. Expect steady progress and careful studies. Why would this matter? The benefits could be huge. Imagine fewer dentures, fewer implants, natural teeth coming back, not artificial replacements. That would change dental care, especially for older adults. It could reduce costs, lower infection risks, and restore a natural smile. For seniors, that's not just about looks, it's about eating, health, and confidence. A couple of fun facts to keep the wonder alive. Some estimates say certain sharks can go through 20,000 or more teeth in a lifetime. Their mouths are literally factories of new teeth. Also, shark teeth are made of very hard materials, so they fossilize easily. That's why shark teeth are common finds on beaches and in digs. Let me sum it up in one simple idea. Sharks can regrow teeth because their tooth-making cells stay active. Humans normally lose that ability after our adult teeth form. Scientists are learning how to reawaken those tooth-making programs in people. Work from labs like those at Kyoto University is helping point the way. But it's early days. If this research succeeds, dentistry could change for the better. Natural tooth regrowth would mean fewer crowns, fewer implants, and fewer dentures. It would give people a real option to replace missing teeth with their own living tissue. That's the kind of change that would matter most to older adults and seniors. Now, a question for you. If scientists could safely help humans regrow natural teeth, Would you try it? Tell me in the comments why or why not. If you liked this deep dive into a surprising natural trick from sharks, hit like, subscribe for more simple, reliable explanations of the dental science that could affect your future. Thanks for listening. Keep smiling and stay curious.